Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on vocabulary worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet on vocabulary, and if you're not sure what to do or you don't recognize some of these words, we have had a lesson on this very topic, and when you get to the next slide it'll give you a direction to click on a link. And when you do that, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's have a quick look at some of the vocabulary we saw. Draw each of the following. So you have to draw a point. So to show that you know exactly what this word means, you have to actually draw a point and put in all the necessary information to show you know the meaning. Line. So you have to draw that, and as well as drawing it you have to add extra information as we did in the lesson. So remember, you can go to the lesson at any time. Interval and ray. So those three are different. They're not actually the same type of drawing. There is a difference for each of them, so see how you go with it. Perpendicular lines, we saw those in the lesson. So if you look very carefully, you will actually see what this means. That's if you go to the lesson, but see if you can do it first. Collinear points. What does that mean? A diagram will illustrate if you know exactly what collinear points are. Concurrent lines. Draw a diagram to show some concurrent lines. And parallel lines. Okay. Now, over here we're going to name each of the following. So I've drawn 4 separate diagrams, and you have to name each diagram. What this diagram is actually showing. For example, what is this diagram showing? The answers are here. One of those answers there, okay, relates to number 1. One of the answers relates to this diagram here. Another one relates to this diagram. And another one relates to this one. So this video has introduced a very basic worksheet looking at some of the vocabulary we use in geometry. And if you're not sure what to do, the next slide contains a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.